Hi guys, it's Miss Amber and welcome to the Grundy Library Middle Grade Book Talk. Today I'm recommending two books about plants, and the first one is called Wildflowers. It's a National Geographic Ultimate Kids Explorer field guide. And this field guide has lots of really great photographs in it. There are different activities you can do when you're taking a hike or exploring your backyard. There's a lot of facts about wildflowers, and there's some really useful identification tips. So I would recommend this for anyone who's interested in doing some exploring outside. The second book I'm recommending today is called Trees, Leaves, Flowers, and Seeds. This is a DK Smithsonian book. And this is perfect for anyone who's wanting to learn a little bit more about plants or their garden. There is information about how a seed grows, the life cycle of a plant, and I would really recommend it to anyone who's looking to learn more about nature. Hope you guys check out these books, and we also have a lot of other great field guides and nature guides at the Grundy Library. And also be sure to check out our programming this summer at Adams Hollow Community Garden. I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you next time.